Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 12th of August. And we've been looking at Bitcoin. Yesterday we saw the pump to the upside at the moment, and this is going to be a very quick one because what we're doing right now for Bitcoin is that you're putting in a 3 black rows, which I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame right now. So if you're actually diving into the 4-hour time frame, this is actually coming in as 3 black rows, which is a continuation pattern, and there's a good chance to go down. Now, my comments about this one is at the moment we've actually made 50% of Bitcoin movements. All right, so 50% of Bitcoin actually means that you broke to the upside. That's 50% of the job done. Amazing for the people who actually took this trade. Because I took it, I personally had the advantage of taking the trade and actually trading it. Now, at the moment, what I do think at this point of time is that, we're coming down for a particular retracement. You broke to the upside, you're coming down for the retracement. One more thing is I actually diving into the daily time frame here. We can actually see there's a, shooting star. This candlestick that you see is known as a shooting star. And I'm not a big fan of a shooting star because when you have that green candle and then you have suddenly big wicks to the upside and some sort of an inverted hammer, something like that one is actually but in the opposite direction is known as a shooting star. So the moment what you're doing is you went to the upside, it came down, and potentially you might see a bull cross happening right here, and from Mondays, maybe next week, you actually start to see Bitcoin moving to the upside once again. So it's still doing amazing. It's still good, in a good position right now. My take is that, you do come down to this 10 EMA. If I actually zoom in into that EMAs, let's talk about this one at the moment, right? So you've already broken out of it. You're coming down to a particular level, which is going to be this one right here, the 10 and the 20, or maybe the 55 once again. So you come down to the 55 or maybe the 10, touch the 10, make the cross between the 10 and the 55, make the bull cross happening like this. You come down, you only backtest the support line here, which was previously resistance that you just broke out of. You backtest the EMAs, you backtest the support. They actually touch one another, they complement each other. Make amazing case and then move to the upside, right? Come down here, boom, shoot to the moon. Now that can happen maybe next week, maybe not. Now today's candlestick is really important because what can happen can be ugly as well. So I actually closed some of my trades yesterday on the signals as well, and we're looking to actually we do have a little bit of mystery with this candlestick at the moment, and that is if you see this candlestick somehow coming down here, we're going to be putting in an evening star. Okay, if today Bitcoin goes to $23,048 or maybe even a little bit lower, maybe 22,863 today alone, then my friend, this was a fake out to the upside, because by the end of the day, let me tell you one thing, all right? 50%, why is 50% of the job done? Because whenever you break out, you want to go back and hold a retest, and then that's 100% job complete, okay? So can you hold the retest? We're going to get the answer, right? We're going to get the answer within next 2 days or maybe within the weekends. You have the apex that actually is forming until 14th of August. Today is actually 12th of August. So within 2 days, a lot can happen. You have 24 hours, and in 24 hours, Bitcoin can even change $6,000. I've seen Bitcoin in nearly 4 hours changing only $10,000 and popping to the upside. So it wouldn't be a surprise to me if Bitcoin actually goes down by $800 in just the next 24 hours or 48 hours. It's possible. It's damn possible. And when you do that, the issue with this one is that you're going to be putting in a huge evening star, making this as a fake out to the upside, coming down again, falling below the support. It's going to turn resistance. You're going to fall below the EMAs. You're going to lose this trend line as well. You lose everything, and finally you don't have any chances to move higher, except if that doesn't become another fake out. Now they can do this game very, very nicely, like do a fake out here, come down today, do a fake out today again, and then finally move up. Okay, they love to do this, and I've seen this. That's a possible scenario as well. And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.